How to withdraw money from OneXBet to your bank account. First of all, open the OneXBet app and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap Settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. Under Account Management, you will see two options: Top Up Account and Withdraw. Tap on Withdraw to begin the process. Next, you will see a list of withdrawal methods. Select Bank Transfer from the options. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it meets the minimum withdrawal requirement. Then, carefully enter your bank details such as your account number, bank name, and any other required information. Double check everything to make sure it's correct. After that, tap on the Confirm button to submit your withdrawal request. The processing time can vary depending on your bank, but usually it takes a few hours to a couple of business days. While waiting, you can check the status of your request in your withdrawal history. And that's it. Now you know how to withdraw money from OneXBet to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.